Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digithon, Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to give you 42 challenges. And this is a solution series. In this video, I am going to give you the solution of our 38th challenge. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see what is the solution. Friends, before knowing the solution, let me repeat the problem statement quickly. So this is the PRBS 3 pattern generator. And this is its characteristic equation. And my question was, if we keep the reset value of all the flops 0, 0, 0, so nothing will move, all the flip-flops will have output 0, 0, 0 only forever. Because this 0 apply to this XOR gate, output of this XOR gate will be 0. Input of flip-flop 1 will be 0. Ultimately output of flip-flop will be 0. So flip-flop will be stuck at 0. So my question was, what should be the reset value of all the flip-flops in a PRBS 3 pattern generator so that it should work fine? Now let me reveal its solution. Friends, to give its solution, I have taken you to the Wikipedia page. So this is the PRBS 3 sequence, which is 10111100, and its characteristic equation is x3 plus x square plus 1. I already mentioned in the question statement also. Friends, the beauty of PRBS sequences is it includes all the possible combination of bits. For example, in PRBS 3, it will include all the possible combinations of 3 bits. Let me show you how. So this is 101. That means 5 is inside the sequence. 011, that is 3. 111, 7. 1106 is there, 1004 is there, 001, that is 1 is also there, 0102 is also there, because the PRBS 3 sequence will repeat itself. That is why we have to consider these two sequences also. So now let us see what all sequences are available in PRBS 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Except 0, all the possible combinations will be available in the PRBS sequence. So that is the reason if you keep the reset value of all the flops as 0, flops get stuck to the value 0. So zeros are not included in PRBS sequences. So instead of 0, if you take any other value as a reset value, that becomes the starting point of the PRBS generator, and from there on it keeps on generating the PRBS sequence. So any value except 0 can be considered as reset value. Friends, just for your knowledge, as I mentioned that any value except 0 can be considered as valid reset value. So whatever value you choose as a reset value is called the seed of this PRBS generator. I hope that you understood the solution, and with this I am going to end this video. If you also like this video, please press the like button, and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.